Hello, everyone. I hope that you all are doing well. I just wanted to go through a few of our last assignments. So we do have some more VHL activities coming up. The last couple things that we have to get done are the final draft of the composition, as well as the final oral exam, which will be the 17th, or sorry, the 7th through the 13th. So this is our page that has all the remaining things that we need to get finished. So the way that you will turn in your final draft, and let's go ahead and look at the instructions for that. So everything is clear, which is going to be under Module 4, Composiciones. Okay, here it is the instruction specifically for the final draft. It's uploaded to assignments. You work on it once you receive the rough draft, which is graded by me, and all of those have now been graded. I did see that for some of them, I don't know what the issue is because I did give feedback for all of them, but I don't know if the feedback was placed in a feedback box that is not viewable by some students because I've had some people contact me that they received a grade, but they don't see their feedback. So I'm going to go ahead and I will look through for those people and I will see if I can put it into a different feedback box and if that one maybe is public so that you can view it. So if you did receive a grade but no feedback, I'm going to see if I can just turn it in, if I can put it into a different box and if that will make it viewable. I've never had this issue before. So if you were one of those people, let me know if you can or can't see your feedback after today. So I'm going to do that this afternoon. Okay, so it is using Word. You turn it in using Word. 12-point font, Times New Roman. Highlight all of the changes you have made based on the feedback that you received. 10 points are deducted if you do not do this, and it is worth 50% of your composition grade. Okay, so here it is via assignments. And here's where you'll turn it in. It is going to be due by this Sunday at midnight. So we also have a couple of VHL activities left. Let's look at the calendar. So we don't have any VHL activities for this coming weekend, but we do have some VHL activities in December, and those are going to be our last activities. And for these, we will have no partner dialogues. So the partner dialogues are completely finished. You don't have any more for the rest of the semester. All you have to complete are these activities that are going to be due by December 2nd. Okay, so I will be going through making sure that everything, all the grades will be updated this week. Everything that you guys have to do. I'll start a calendar invite for everybody for the final exam so we can go ahead and get that programmed. And again, that is going to be the week of the 7th to the 13th. So we'll be doing it these days, 7th, 10th, 11th, 12th, and 13th. So if there's any questions, please let me know. If there's any questions about the feedback that I gave you for the compositions, also let me know. And like I said, if you were one of those people that got a grade but didn't receive feedback, if by tonight or tomorrow morning you don't see your feedback, let me know because then there's a different issue going on and I'll have to contact D2L support. But we are pretty much almost done with the remainder of everything. So I'm really excited. I'm glad to have been your instructor this semester. And please let me know if you guys have any questions.